To create a shadow frame effect with a cutout image in Canva, start by dropping your image onto the canvas and adjusting its size. Duplicate the image and set one copy aside. Select the first image, go to Edit and choose Blur Whole Image, increasing the intensity to around 50. Drag the duplicate image to align it exactly with the blurred version. Go to Elements, click the Graphics category, and search for Shadow Frame. Choose a frame you like, add it to your canvas, and adjust its size and position. Crop the image precisely along its border. Bring in the same original image again and place it at the top of the layers. Use the Background Remover tool to remove the background from this new image, then crop the cutout as needed to complete the effect.